big blue sky. In my imagination, there's a destination where I wanna be. But I can't do navigation, only isolation. Won't you get me out of here? Help me break these walls somehow. Make me feel something brand new. Take me to a place I've never been before. When I close my eyes, I hear the crickets chirping the night away. On the other side, I hear the fast-changing world taking its own course. My friends have moved on, but I am stuck in the corner of my room. Won't you get me out of here? Help me break these walls somehow.
Good morning! So I am off to school today. I don't usually go to the university every day, just Tuesdays and Thursdays, but today I feel like going there to do some work and finish some deliverables, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. So I just got my friend a gift because it's currently his graduation day and I can't wait to give it to him. And right now, I was supposed to study in the library, but then I just found out that Starbucks was closed, so I'm going to transfer to the university center instead. just finished some work and I'm planning to walk through the Arboretum before heading home. So I really like to take walks on the Arboretum. It's such a beautiful place where you get to connect with nature. There's a lot of different trees, plants, and well, the cherry blossom season is over, but I bet it's still beautiful now. So let's go.